Hello and welcome to the beautiful snowy mountains in New South Wales, home to Australia's largest renewable energy project, Snowy 2.0. I'm Andy Vignati and I'm a Senior Human Resources Advisor based in our Cooma office. Let me give you a quick tour of this massive project, together with some of our senior managers and employees working here.
Hello, I'm Sally Law, kiteboarder, sailor, average snow skier, and I'm also the commercial director at Snowy 2.0. Future Generations is a joint venture created specifically to build Snowy 2 on behalf of Snowy Hydro Limited. We bring the combined engineering expertise of three companies: Webuild, Clough, and USA's Lane Construction. With Webuild's recent acquisition of Clough, Clough now forms part of the Webuild group. We now have a global workforce of over 80,000 employees from 100 different nationalities, spanning across 50 countries. This truly testifies how committed we are to drawing on the best people around the world. It took over 100,000 people 25 years to build the original Snowy Hydro scheme. They also built a community that remains here today. And here we are, over 70 years later, helping to continue the success of this iconic scheme.
From an engineering perspective, this project is at the forefront of international hydropower technology and design, attracting input and interest from global specialists across the world. Working on the project will gain exposure to some of the world's largest and most advanced equipment, technology and infrastructure, and access to the best expertise available in the world. We aim to deliver clean, affordable and reliable power into the electricity sector. The project will link two existing reservoirs, Tantangara and Talbingo, by using 3 TBMs to create 27 kilometers of underground waterways tunnel of 9.9 meter diameter. We are also building a power station complex in the largest cavern ever excavated at 800 meters underground. Hydro is a simple process. It runs water from high ground to low ground to spin turbines which generate power. Power will be generated by falling water spinning our giant reversible turbines, which can also pump water in the opposite direction. Our generating and pumping capabilities work in a closed system. Water is recycled between the upper and the lower reservoirs. This means the same water can be used to generate power more than once. Snowy 2.0 has the ability to switch very quickly from storing water to generating power based on the market demand. It will pump water using the excess electricity in the grid at the times of low demand. Then, when the energy is needed the most, the stored water in the upper reservoir will be used to generate electricity, up to 1000 megawatts within 20 seconds.
The original Snowy Mountain scheme is one of the largest projects to have ever been built in Australia. Snowy 2.0 links reservoirs from the original system, increasing the capacity of the scheme and highlighting the incredible engineering behind both the original and the Snowy 2.0 extension of the scheme. Hi, I'm Chris Palmer and I'm a Senior Project Engineer at Snowy 2.0. Construction has been well underway since 2019 and we are fast approaching our peak workforce of 2,500 employees with an expected completion date later this decade. Disassembly and reassembly of a TBM is something you don't get to do very often. The scope of work you get on this project is unlike any other job I've worked on. The scale, complexity and learning opportunities are amazing.
Hi, I'm Sang and I'm an Environmental Advisor at Snowy 2.0. I studied environmental science at university and went into the mining industry as an advisor for a few years before I transitioned onto this project in October 2022. I'm attracted to the Snowy 2.0 project because it is a renewable energy project with broad-scale environmental benefits. It is a centrepiece in Australia's transition to a low-carbon economy. As an environmental professional, this was a major pull for me to join the project. Additionally, I really wanted to try the FIFO lifestyle, and after doing some research, this project was a great option for me, especially as the company fly you from most capital cities around Australia. With my job, I can promote conservation through the protection of vulnerable, threatened and endangered species. Working on this project is great. The learning and development in your professional role will be exponential. From a FIFO perspective, we have a comfortable lifestyle on site, which is a huge bonus. There are classes such as walking group and yoga, a fully equipped gym, and a beautiful walking track, a recreation room, and not to mention the fact that all your meals are cooked for you. The Snowy scheme has been responsibly operating for almost 70 years. Whether you work as an engineer, administrator, truck driver or a leader, Snowy 2.0 really provides you with a change of scenery. You get to experience a range of climates, such as hot days with bright blue skies, or snowfall, or some of the best sunrises and sunsets you will ever see.
The construction industry is highly male dominated, but here at Snowy 2.0, we punch above our weight. We have significantly more females working on this project than the industry average, which is great. We embrace equity and are champions of equal employment opportunities by supporting an equal and diverse workforce that respects all people and their cultures. As a female director on the project, I'm proud to be part of a project which champions women in leadership positions and provides equal career opportunities for women. To see women present in all areas of the project, from driving heavy haul trucks, electrical apprentices, tunnellers, civil engineers, to supervising the blasting teams, demonstrates that change in our industry is possible, and it's happening right now here on the Snowy 2 project. The project currently has workers from more than 30 countries. We are bringing the best of the world to Snowy 2.0. Come work with us and the possibilities are endless. Career progression is our main focus, with opportunities to work not just across Australia, but throughout the world.
Hello, I am Daniel McGowan. I'm dewatering supervisor at the Snowy 2.0 project. I started working on the project 3 years ago as a boilermaker. I now supervise a team of up to 70 personnel at the Tantangara water treatment plant. I was the first boilermaker on the project, and over time I was promoted to leading hand and have recently taken on the role of supervisor for the dewatering team at Tantangara. I've been here on the project for 3 years now, and it's the best thing that I've ever done pursuing this project. The location, the iconicness, and the renewable energy to make it a better place for the future. We're using some of the most advanced tunnelling machines in the world through the mighty Snowy Mountains to create a system that will harness millions of litres of snowmelt to create electricity without affecting the environment.
Clough is the hub for all of our sites and is located an hour and a half drive from Canberra City. Our Qantas charters will be flying you directly into Clough Airport from most major capital cities like Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. We have 10 charter flights operating every week and run hundreds of bus trips to take you to and from all our work sites. Here at Snowy 2.0, we are building Australia's biggest battery, making renewables reliable. We want to make a difference to our planet and future generations with your help. We are offering a lifestyle in Clough and the surrounding Snowy Mountains that is second to none, expanding the renowned Snowy scheme. Clough is super central and you'll be spoiled with the variety of leisurely activities you can access on your time off. We are less than 2 hours away from local ski fields, Canberra City, and to a range of beautiful beaches along the New South Wales coastline, with access to some of the most amazing hikes and mountain bike trails. All of this right in our backyard.
Be part of Australia's history in the making. Join us.
Join us. Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us in creating renewable energy for future generations. Join the renewable revolution.